cool. What? We're going to add numbers? How? How do we do that? We need an adding machine. To make our adding machine, you are going to need a box. Okay, in your box, I've just got a shoe box. Okay, go inside, and it needs to have a lid on it. You are also going to need either some scissors or a bit of a craft knife, which you will definitely need help with. You will need a marker pen, perhaps some glue, and maybe even some paint and a paintbrush. The first thing I need to do is to cut 2 holes into the top of my adding machine. And I'm going to space them apart. So you can see here, I'm going to do one about here and one about here. So I'm going to make them square shape. Remembering to be safe. Out the hole. Do another one over here. Very straight, Mrs. Wells. Okay. Now your holes need to be big enough to be able to fit something through, because this is going to be our adding machine. Okay, so you can see I've now got 2 squares. Now, I need to decorate my machine, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the top red, and I think I'll cover the bottom in another colour. Let's see how I go. I made it! So how does our adding machine work? Why don't we find out? Hey, so to use our adding machine, first of all, we're going to need a couple of things from around the house. Now I've collected some things that might be able to help you. From school I got some Unifix blocks, but not everyone has these things. So what else can you use? Well, I found some magnets. I was thinking some Lego, or even some icy pole sticks. Maybe you could use some pasta. Up to you. You need to go find something. It's got to be all the same. See you in a minute. All right, who's ready to try out our adding machine? Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do is look at our equation. Let's do that now. So our equation is 2 plus 2 equals something. Let's use our adding machine to work it out. Let's have a look at our equation. 2 plus 2 equals something. Let's use our adding machine to work it out. Let's get those Unifix, or the things you have at home. We need 2. Put those 2 into the first hole. Then get 2 more things and put that into the second hole. Open your adding machine and collect everything that's inside it. Make sure there's nothing left. Let's put them together and work out how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 all together. So let's look back at our equation. We now know that 2 plus 2 equals, what is it? Good job. If you said 4, you are correct. Well done. Now it's your turn.